Hey there, Mark Colgan here, and I'm really excited to bring you this 5-part video course where I'm going to show you how to plan, build, and launch cold email campaigns in partnership with Ocean. So I've been working in B2B sales and marketing for around 14 years, and a lot of the time has been spent on running outbound campaigns, either on the marketing side or even on the sales side. I work as a B2B sales consultant, so I help many companies from agencies to SaaS companies and even consultants launch their campaigns, as well as looking at sales process optimization. So that means how can we close more of these deals that we book from our pipeline generation campaigns. So in this video, I'm going to walk through those 5 steps. So we'll dive into those right now. So the first thing, and the mistake that a lot of people make when it comes to running outbound campaigns, is to really not think through the campaign strategy and the plan. They're in a bit of a rush to build a list of 2,000 people and just send generic messages out. So I'm going to walk through what a campaign plan looks like for one campaign, and then also focus really in a lot of detail on the ideal client profile and the personas that we want to reach out to. I'll also cover a little bit on the domains and mailboxes and how you might need to set those up to ensure that you land in the inbox, which is getting more challenging at the moment. The second video is going to be all about messaging. So here we're going to be researching copy ideas using a little bit of AI to help us. I'll look at my message swipe file, which is pretty much the first place that I start. It's either a list of my best key campaigns and messages that I've sent and a combination of other people's messages that work as well. And then we're actually going to draft the email messages. Now we need to do this before we build the list because we want to know what we're actually looking for as we build those lists. The third video is going to be all about list building. Here we're actually going to find companies that match our ideal client profile and then also find the contacts at these companies. We'll be using Ocean as our main database to do this, and then looking at how we export these contacts and put them into a tool like Clay, which leads us into our fourth video, which is all about list enrichment. Here, we want to do some additional research on these prospect companies and the individuals, as well as finding and validating their emails to make sure that we're sending emails to only valid email addresses. That reduces the likelihood of spam and also emails not being delivered. The final video is all about building out the sequence. I'm going to use a tool called Smartlead, which I recommend for all of my clients. And we're also going to talk about what Spintax is and how to generate that Spintax. I've got a ChatGPT prompt, which I use. I'll also walk through the optimal settings for deliverability as of 2024, end of 2024, going into 2025, and actually click live and launch the campaign. So let's get into it.